Today I have Asus Sonic Master and model is x453M. Okay, this laptop problem is powered on but no display. Okay, today I will fix this, and you can see here is a power LED and charging LED is clone. Okay, let's open it. I will open all this screw. Okay, after that I will open this body. And see the circuit condition. Circuit condition is not good, and here is so many fungus and dust on the keyboard area, and here is also lots of dust over the dust and carbon. And this is our circuit condition. Okay, plug in the charger. Light is clone as usual. Let's see, it is working as well as good, no problem, but display is not working and cooling fan also not moving here. As usual, processor is heating but cooling fan is not moving, but display also is not working here. Let's open the circuit. After that I will check where is the actual problem. Okay, first of all I want to open this battery connection, and when you see this type of connector, you should be removed from here. Okay, pull this lock from outside, and after that you just pull it. Okay, this is very easy. Okay, let's remove the battery. This is rating 7.6 volt and 30 WH. Okay, let's keep this, and this is not issue, our main issue. Our primary issue is display. Opening the hard drive. Okay, one thing, and this one is Wi-Fi dongle. I need to open this, and okay, our circuit is open. This one is main circuit, and clean this. This one our RAM. Okay, sometimes that type of problem comes from this RAM, but here is no inbuilt RAM, and here is one single RAM here, and you can see. Let's clean this using the paper. Now let's give the power. What happened? Check this. Processor is not heating. Okay, I need to take some voltage basic. Okay, let's. This one is fan connection. Let's keep the power. What happened? Power button is not working also, and let's see. Okay, I want to open this RAM. See, because of this RAM is not necessary on the for the power. Power LED and charging LED is clone. Okay, press the power button wrong time. Let's check this here. What happened? First of all, I need to clean this circuit, and this circuit condition is not good. Lots of fungus and carbon on the circuit. You can see here, and this one also. Okay, I need to be clean this circuit using the thinner. Okay, I think I need to give some heat on the processor, and after that I will check this what happened. Okay. Clean that, and I will put some paste around the processor, soldering paste. I am giving heat on the processor, and sometimes this type of problem comes from the processor, and when, especially when the processor working on the both and CPU and GPU, and that type of problem comes from the processor maximum time. And I'm honest on my, okay, let's clean this processor area. I am cleaning this using the thinner. Let's dry this circuit. You can see this circuit. This is completely clean and dry. Okay, now let's give the power and what happened. Okay. Okay, connect the charger on the laptop. There is the power button. Let's see what happened. Okay, our power LED also clone, and let's see. Okay viewers, our display also come, and our job is done completely. Okay viewers, you can see our cooling fan also is spinning. Okay, power LED and charging LED. Our processor is sitting and display is come. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. I will fitting this laptop completely. Okay, after that I will check again installing the hard disk and other things. Okay, our fitting is complete. Let's give the power. Windows is turning on, and our laptop is completely okay. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and let's see the Windows. Okay, our Windows is okay. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. Let's shut down this.